Hi there, it's Janet from Crafts and Collage. Welcome back to my channel. I have been asked a number of times, actually just recently, how I organize or make any sense out of my pictures, because I cut hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pictures out of magazines. It's constant. Whenever I have a magazine, I take it apart, I cut the pictures, I add it to my files. Okay, so here's the thing. I've been doing this a lot of years. And I've gone through like accordion folders, file folders, hanging files, bins, on rollers, like everything. I tried everything, and the containers either got too heavy to lift or it just wasn't possible to organize anymore. So here I'm going to do a really quick video and answer what it is people are asking me. Folks, meet my best friends. My daughter bought me a box of these off Amazon. It was like 20 bucks for 200 or something like that. About 2 months ago, because I was just getting very frustrated. I was using a beautiful Ganesha accordion folder that got so heavy I couldn't even lift it anymore. And then I saw somebody using these. There's my big folio from my Etsy shop. Here's a folder I started of travel images. Here's my miscellaneous file I just used in a video. Honestly, folks, I have never been able to file pictures with the same ease that I can with these without containers getting too heavy or whatever. And then I buy dollar store binders like this, and that's just a junky one at the front. Here's Christmas, more Christmas, bunches, stacks in there, all kinds of Christmas stuff, maps, all cartoon stuff from magazines, more cartoons, more timepieces, lots of timepieces, and then images that I want to play with on some special collage. And I've got 3 of these binders full of stuff, filed so organized and so well. And I have this miscellaneous file that sits on my desk, so anything I cut out that doesn't fit anywhere but I think might be useful at some point goes in here. And every once in a while I do a video like I just did and collage from this envelope using what's in there. But folks, if you're new to collage or if you're looking for a solution, it's like the washi tape. I use a silverware tray for my washi tape, and it works so well, just a regular dollar store kitchen silverware tray. So if you're looking for a way to figure out how to organize your pictures, here you go. They're cheap, they're durable, and I can't recommend them highly enough, because it's just made my life so much easier organizing my pictures. So there you go. That's the answer to how I do it. I hope you find some way that works really well for you. If you do, let me know in the comments below, and have a great day.